The bears sell off at the open but fail to follow through. The bulls try to climb the mountain but fail to follow through. The bears sell off at the close and fail to follow through, and the bulls rally after hours. Tired of that whipsaw yet? This is Invest with Jacob. Okay, guys, so in typical Wave 4 fashion, the market changed direction several times yesterday, chopping everyone up and giving us a very sloppy structure. We have 3 wave patterns everywhere, which generally means the bears are still in control, and we should probably see one more low. Now, how we get that low is what's important, and I'll get into that in just one second. But first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the S&P 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. Okay, guys, if you're not in my Facebook group, really important to get in there this week. I have a major announcement this Sunday at 12 Pacific time. It will be a Facebook Live in my group, and it's some really exciting changes coming to the Invest with Jacob channel. So come check that out. Get in my Facebook group. I'll tell you how to do that at the end of the video. Okay, guys, so with the choppy trading today, it's very likely we still see one more low. It's just a question of how we get there. So let's jump into the chart and take a look. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 5-minute futures chart, and we are zoomed in again today because this is the area we really need to focus on until it resolves itself. So with the low we got on Monday, it is possible that it is all of this bigger wave 4, that this is the bottom. However, given the structure up off of it, it does look like we need one more low to complete this bigger wave 4 down here. So I favor this being wave 3 of C completing here. Okay, now the question is how wave 4 of C is going to play out. So it either is already completed or we are in the middle of completing it. So here are the 2 counts we're looking at right now. The first thing is if this is wave 3, you do have an A, B, C structure, very clear 3-wave structure up. That could be all of wave 4. It is high enough. It qualifies. It's an ABC structure. All of that is valid. So this could be all of this wave 4 with a move down here in wave 5 to complete the C wave of bigger wave 4 and bottom out this corrective move. However, the problem is this structure that we've gotten since the high is very sloppy and is all 3 waves. So if it's going to be a more direct move down, then we would be looking at an ending diagonal structure. So remember, the key thing about diagonals is all 5 waves are 3-wave structures as opposed to waves 1, 3, and 5 being 5-wave structures and waves 2 and 4 being 3-wave structures. So we're looking for ABC movements for each wave. So in this case, you have a clear A, B, C down for 1, A, B, C up for 2, and now you have an A and a B, and you'd be looking for a C wave down here in 3, okay? And then an ABC up in 4, ABC down in 5 to complete wave 5 of C and bigger wave 4 here. So this path is a diagonal, and I don't trust diagonals. And quite frankly, I don't love this structure and setup for that move down. To me, this counts best as an ABC up in 4 that's going to go a little bit higher. So if wave 4 is going to go higher, okay, then off of the low, you have an ABC up in A. You have a bigger A, B, C down in B towards 42.65, and then you're looking at a C wave bounce up towards 44.66. So the key, guys, to telling the difference between the 2 counts is where they stop if they pull back. So if they pull back and they stop at this 42.65 area and then go higher, then it's very likely we're in this C wave up towards 44.66. If they pull back all the way down to this 42.25 area, then that's going to be a wave 3, and it's much more likely we're in that ending diagonal down towards this wave 5 target. There is one thing to keep in the back of your mind, and that is a leading diagonal, and that is the only count that the bulls have on the board right now. I don't trust diagonals, as I've said, so it's just something to have in the back of your mind. I don't have it charted because it needs to play out much further before I even give it credence, but the start of that would be pulling back to about this 43.30 area, holding there, and then starting a rally from there up. If you see that, then we could have a leading diagonal for wave 1 of the move up in play, and that would make this the bottom. Again, guys, I don't trust diagonals, so I'm not really looking for that scenario to play out, but it is possible. Guys, if you like the information in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. Okay, there's a link down in the description. Click that link, and it will take you over to Facebook. Now, once you get to Facebook, you do have to get approved to get in my group, but the only thing I ask is you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So hit that subscribe button down below. All right, come on over to Facebook. I will get you into my Facebook group. This is where you will see the announcement that I'm going to have on Sunday at noon Pacific time, Sunday, January 30th, noon Pacific time. This is where I will have my Facebook Live, so you can see that announcement. So once you're in the Facebook group, guys, this is how you get the most out of it. You hit this featured button right here in the middle. You scroll down and you'll see a link to my documented trades. Scroll down just a little further and you'll see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel, and I'm on there all day giving out real-time market updates, answering all of your Elliott Wave questions, as well as giving out my buy and sell alerts. It's a very talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert, and an excellent place to learn or improve your trading, guys. So come on over and let's make some money together. All right, guys, key takeaways for today. We are watching to see how this mess plays out, okay? It's a mess right now. The two counts I have on here are the two most probable counts, but there's also that leading diagonal as well. If they pull it back to about the 4260 region and hold and start to rally, it's most likely we are in this ABC structure up. If they break that 4260 region and continue down, then it looks like we're in that ending diagonal down in a more direct path. And of course, if they can pull back, hold, and rally from here, the leading diagonal does become more probable at that point. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.